In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Amazon Pay. To get started, open your web browser and search for Amazon. Once you see the official Amazon website in the search results, click on it to continue. This will take you to the main shopping page where you can access your account and begin the purchase process. If you already have the Amazon site bookmarked, you can go there directly as well. When the site opens, log in if you're prompted to do so. Make sure you're signing in to the correct account, especially if you have more than one Amazon account. Logging in first helps make the checkout process faster and ensures that your saved payment options, delivery addresses, and Amazon Pay balance are available when you're ready to place the order. Next, browse through the site and look for the product you want to purchase using Amazon Pay. You can use the search bar to find a specific item or explore categories if you're still deciding. Take a moment to review the product details carefully, including size, color, quantity, and any important shipping information, so you know you're selecting the right item before moving forward. Once you've found the item you want, click Buy. Now, if you're only purchasing that one product and want to head straight to checkout, if you plan to purchase more items, choose Add to Cart instead. Adding items to your cart can be helpful if you want to review everything together before paying. Before completing the purchase, double-check your delivery address. This step is important because the order will be shipped to the address shown during checkout. If the address is outdated or incorrect, update it before moving on. Even a small mistake can delay your delivery, so it's worth taking a few extra seconds here. After that, go to the payment method section and make sure Amazon Pay is selected. Also confirm that there is an available balance if that's required for your purchase. This is the key step because it determines how your order will be paid for. If Amazon Pay is not selected, the system may use a different payment option instead. Finally, click Use this payment method to complete the order. Once you do that, Amazon will process the payment and place your order. After checkout, you should see a confirmation screen with your order details. It's always a good idea to review that final confirmation so you can be sure everything went through correctly. And that's how to pay with Amazon Pay. Pay